Chapter 14, Area. We're going to look at estimating areas and finding the area of a rectangle. You can pause the video and have a go at example 1 and 2. Area is the amount of surface covered by a shape. To find the area of a shape, we can count or calculate the number of squares in the shape. The standard unit of area is 1 square centimetre, or 1 centimetre squared. That is a square of length 1 centimetre. Smaller areas could be measured in millimetres squared, where 1 millimetre squared is 1 millimetre by 1 millimetre, and for larger shapes, metre squared, where 1 metre squared is 1 metre by 1 metre. Estimate areas. When finding areas of irregular shapes, we can estimate the area by counting the squares inside the surface. Sometimes squares do not fit exactly inside the area we are finding, so we count a square only if at least half of it is within the area we are finding. This shape has an estimated area of 21 squares. So you can see the full squares there. We've got, well, this one here is nearly full, but you would count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then these are over half, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Anything I haven't marked on there, like these ones here, they're less than half. So it's a case of you win some, you lose some. This one here is not a full square, but this one here isn't going to be counted. So if you imagine that wee bit fitting in there, then it all comes out the same in the wash. Don't worry, or don't be trying to add quarters and halves and things like that together. It's just a rough estimate. Find the area of a rectangle. The definition, or the formula for the area of a rectangle, is you multiply the length by the width. And we've got to, number 1 here, find the area of that rectangle. Why is it multiply the length by the width? Well, if you take this triangle here, do my best to make this half decent, but it's 7 by 3, so 3 high. So you've got 3 squares high there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I was slightly off. We've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. So it's 7 squares long, it's 3 squares high. So how many squares are there? The quick way to do that would be 7 times 3, which is 21. If we use the formula then, we can say that area is the length times the width. You might use base times height, doesn't matter. As long as you're multiplying the two dimensions together, you get 21. And the units for area would be centimetres squared. Number 2, we have to find the area of a square of length 6 centimetres. So instead of doing it all in your head, you can just draw that out. Think a square is 6, and all the sides are the same length, so it'll be 6 by 6. So the area of a square would be the length times the width, or actually in this case it's the length times the length, because the length and the width are the same side. You could use the formula L squared if you wanted. If you just want to keep it simple, the length and the width are both 6, so it's 6 squared, 6 multiplied by 6, which is 36. And that would be centimetres squared again, because the question is in centimetres.